What's going on, guys? ATC Jeremy with you. I just wanted to bring you another part upgrade that I recommend. Today I stopped by Tucker Speed Shop because they're having their Black Friday sale and picked up one of these Green Brother design shift linkage that comes with that heavy duty heim joint to prevent failure or getting you stranded somewhere, just like the Harley stock linkages do. The Harley stock linkage is kind of a ball and ball and socket type of thing, and after a while that wear gives you kind of a loose feeling in the shifting, as well as that ball can pop out and keep you stranded. And if that does happen to you and you haven't gotten one of these, I always carry like a picture wire with me, or even zip ties will do the trick, and you can kind of use that picture wire or zip tie to get you down the road to the next gas stop, or maybe even home. You just got to be easy on the shifting until you can pick yourself up one of these. Now, there's a bunch of companies that make these. I know Thrashing makes a cool one. I have that on my Dyna. But this one I wanted to get because it is black all the way to the tips. So I've seen a lot of them. Even the Thrashing ones are pretty much black down here, and the tips are like just unfinished kind of raw aluminum or whatever. So this one at Tucker Speed, $129.99. I think out the door is like $111 with their sale, but you're gonna have to hop on that tonight if you want to get one yourself. But I think this is gonna look really cool on the bag. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like in a little bit. All right, now that it's off, I can kind of show you what I meant. See the ball and socket joint kind of situation? That wears out, and then these little screws here pop out. And then you're stranded, boy or girl. Stranded. But keep it around because you're gonna have a friend that needs it. Clean as a whistle. Look at that, baby. We got her on, and excuse the dirty bike, but that looks good. And just peace of mind, you know, knowing that this is not gonna break, but also having the adjustability now to put that in a perfect spot for my foot. And if you look closely on this one, no more ball and socket. Just a nice little smooth. No getting stuck at the fuel fill, at the pub, at your lady's house, baby mama.